Hello viewers, again welcome on my channel Cambridge Campus with Sir Muzammil. As you know, I have started my O-level IG lecture series for accounting 0452. So before starting the lecture, I just recall the previous lecture we have done assets, liabilities, equity, expense and revenue. So let's start this accounting equation. You know, every business has lot of assets and definitely assets would have some value. Like if you see in the diagram, this business has assets 2600, so total assets are 2600. But see on the other side, capital is only 6000. So why that difference is arising? Where is that 2000? Definitely if a business got assets 2600, these are the resources that must be provided by owner or either by liability. So where is that 2000? So 2000 is liability. That's why it is always said asset is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. This is known as accounting equation. Accounting equation shows the relationship between assets, liabilities and capital. So remember this accounting equation. Total asset is equal to total liabilities plus total equity. If examiner will give you two items, the third item you can easily find. How? You see in the exercise number 1a, asset liability is given but equity is missing. So what would be equity? Asset minus liability, like 13,500 would be equity. Next, B part, 28,000 assets, 4,000 liability. So simply 24,000 would be equity. Same C part, 16,800 assets but equity is 12,800. So here liability is missing. So you can easily find liability is 4,000. Same D part, asset is given, equity is given, liability is missing. So liability would be 9,600. E part, here liability and equity is given but asset is missing. So asset would be 15,500 plus 2,500. So it would be like 18,000. F part, same liability, equity is given, asset is missing. So asset would be liability plus equity. So it means if any one item would be missing in accounting equation, you can easily find. Same, I made exercise number 2 on the same pattern. Asset is given, liability is given, equity is missing. So what would be equity? Like asset minus liability. So it would be like 40,000. Same, asset is missing, liability and equity is given. So how will you find it? Simply add equity plus liabilities, you will get the asset. Same C part, asset is given, equity is given, liability is missing. So it would be like 20,000 would be liability. Same D part, asset is given, liability is given. So 65,000, it would be wrong, right? What will you say? Asset minus liability would be equity. Never add it. Same E part, asset is given, equity is given, 88,000 minus 18,000, then 70,000 would be liability. If you want to know asset in the last part, liability is given, equity is given, so 150,000 would be asset. So such type of MCQs could also come in the exam, like what is accounting equation? Asset less liabilities equal capital, asset plus liabilities, capital less liabilities, capital plus assets. So A is right answer, asset less liabilities equals capital. So such question could come in the exam, like numerical as well. A trader invested 4,000 into the business, 2,000 was used to pay credit supplier, the rest of the money was paid into the business bank account. What changes would make place in accounting equation? So you see what is the changes happening in assets. A trader has invested 4,000 into the business but 2,000 was used to pay credit supplier. So it means remaining asset would be 2,000. So owner has total invested 4,000. So 4,000 plus and 2,000 plus. And what is liability? Liability effect is 2,000 you have paid. So liability is decreasing 2,000. So C is right answer. Mean asset 2,000 plus, owner equity 4,000 plus and liability 2,000 decrease. A business showed non-current assets, current liabilities and non-current liability. What equals owner's capital? Very common, total assets minus total liabilities. D is right answer. MCQ number 4, a business purchase a motor vehicle on credit. What is the effect of this? Motor vehicle purchase on credit. So it means asset is increasing, liability is also increasing. So you see the option, it increase non-current assets, it increase owner's capital, it reduce net profit, it reduce bank balance. So A is right answer, very simple. So such again numerical question could also come. A trader provide the following information: capital, current assets, non-current assets, current liabilities. What is the total non-current liability? So what you will do, simply you will add all assets and you have capital as well. So assets minus capital, you will get the total liabilities, and total liabilities you already have current liabilities. When you subtract the current liability from the total liabilities, you will get the answer. So such type of question could also come in the exam, like filling the blanks. This is past paper question. Accounting question could be asked in MCQs as well as structured question like this. Complete the following. Show the accounting equation. Capital equals assets minus liabilities. Any missing figures can be found in accounting equation. For example, if assets and liabilities are given, candidates can be asked to find equity or vice versa. So this is the end of accounting equation, and later on we will continue with the same series, and I will let you know what is debit credit, how to solve the double entry. Jazakallah.